Hello friends, welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today's recipes are a sweet potato paratha. These are absolutely delicious. It's very soft, flexible flatbread that you can use for tacos or you can just eat just like that. And we start with one small sweet potato that I had already cooked, and I'm mashing it, and that's about half a cup of mashed sweet potato. As you can see, it's pretty like dry, so make sure that you boil the sweet potato with the skin on, and then make sure that there's no water when you mash it. Now to that I'm adding about a quarter teaspoon of sea salt, and also adding about half a cup of cassava flour, and next I'm also going to add a little bit of arrowroot starch, just a little bit, like 1 tablespoon. And next we're going to mix the dough in hot water. It's very important that the water be hot. Okay, so we are going to add 1/4 a cup of hot water for now, and then mix it with a spatula because it's hot, so you cannot put your hands in yet. So mix it with a spatula, trying to get as much of the flour as you can. In total we need about half a cup, so I'm just adding little by little. So I'm adding a little bit more now, about 1/4 cup, not all. And then I'm going to see if it needs more, then I'll add more. So I'm just kind of treading cautiously here. So again, continue to mix till you get all the dry flour in. Now I see a little bit more dry flour, so I'm going to add the rest of the water. So I added all of the half a cup of hot water, and then continue to mix till you get all the dry flour and everything is wet. Now you can let it cool for a couple minutes before handling it, because it would be hot. Now that the dough is cool enough to be handled, you can knead it with your hands. I added about a tablespoon of avocado oil to make it non-sticky and smooth. And now we're going to divide it into 4 equal pieces so that we get 4 flatbreads from this. So just going to roll those into dough balls, so it makes it easier to roll. As you can see, the dough is really smooth. And now I'm going to roll it. Now you can use parchment sheet to roll between 2 parchment sheets, but as you can see, the dough is pretty smooth and non-sticky. Now heat a cast iron pan, and then you add the paratha to the hot pan. Wait for 1 minute or so and see when it comes easily off of the edges. You can check the back to see how cooked it is. And when you see like a lot of brown spots, then you flip it over. So about a minute or so. See how you have these brown spots, so that's when you flip it over. And now we are going to apply a little bit. Again, make sure it is on medium heat. And you're going to apply some more avocado oil. You can also use ghee if you can tolerate it, because that will make it really delicious. And so paratha is different from roti in that, because you fry it a little bit with oil. So you apply the oil on both the sides, and that makes it like extra crispy. See how it is puffing up nicely? And you just slowly press on the edges, and that will make it puff up like this. And so continue to cook for another 30 seconds on each side again, and that's it. Paratha is all ready. So you see how soft these parathas are, and they're pretty sturdy and flexible. So, and they're absolutely delicious. So I hope you try these parathas. Enjoy. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and also visit cooktonourish.com for more recipes. Thank you.